Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you fine and safe at home. Welcome to this new video, Chapter 2, Number System for Class 11. This video, we will learn about data representation and representing characters in memory. Do you know computer know which language? We are thinking computer can understand English. No, computer cannot understand any language. Then how this computer can perform our request? That we will see in this data representation section. Computer can understand only zeros and ones. So all kinds of data, that is number, alphabet, special character, all should be converted into zeros and ones. In computer, zeros and 1 are called machine language because of computer can understand only zeros and ones. It is also called binary digit. First we will study about bit. The short form of binary digit is bit. It is the basic unit of computer. One digit in the binary number system, that is digit may be 0 or 1. That is a bit. Understand? Any one digit in the binary number system is that is a bit. Next term is nibble. Nibble is a collection of 4 bits. 4 bit means already bit we studied that one digit in the binary number system. Here 4 digit in the binary system collection of 4 digit is called 4 bit is called nibble. Did you get? Then next byte. Byte is collection of 8 bit. That is 8 digit collection of 8 digit is called byte. Byte is the basic unit of measuring the computer memory. Just like the cloth measured by meter, milk measured by liters. Same way computer memory is measured by bytes. Did you get me? Next term is word length. Number of bits processed by computer CPU referred to as word length. Example, some CPU can process 8 bits, some CPU can 16 bits, some can 32 bits, etc. At present, computer can use 32 bits and 64 bits word length. Computer memory, that is primary memory or secondary memory, is normally represented by kilobyte or megabyte. In the mathematics subject, we studied 1 kilo equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams, how we can write? 10 into 10 into 10. Did you get? This 10 into 10 into 10, we can write 10 power 3. That is 10 3 times. Did you get? Like this, we can write bit and byte. In this table, we can observe this bit and byte. See the table, 1 kilobyte equal to 1024 bytes. That is 2 power 10 bytes. 1 megabyte equal to 1024 kilobytes, which is equal to 2 power 20 bytes. 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabyte, which is equal to 2 power 30 byte. 1 terabyte equal to 1024 gigabyte, which is equal to 2 power 40 bytes. 1 petabyte equal to 1024 terabyte, which is equal to 2 power 50 byte. 1 exabyte equal to 1024 petabyte, which is equal to 2 power 60 bytes. 1 zettabyte equal to 1024 exabyte, which is equal to 2 power 70 bytes. 1 yottabyte equal to 2 power 80 bytes. These bytes are used to represent character in text. What is character? Character means a letter or a number or a special symbol. So each character has one code. These codes are represented by coding schemes. There are different types of coding schemes are used to represent characters and numbers. Most commonly used coding scheme is ASCII. ASCII full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. In this coding scheme, 0 to 127 numbers are used to represent the characters. Some examples here. ASCII value of blank space is 32. That is, when we are pressing that blank space, that is space bar key, that is represented 32. Then you are pressing 0 key, that is represented 48. The small letters A to Z, that represent 97 to 122. That means small letter A represent 97, B represent 98, C represent 98, 99, up to Z represent 122. Same way capital letters also. Capital letter A to Z represent 65 to 90. Capital letter A represent 65, B represent 66, C represent 67, like that. Then Z represent 90. Did you get him? If we are type the letter A, capital letter A, that A is not taken for the process. The capital letter A represent the code 65. So that code will taken for the processing. Then this 65 is converted into binary number, that is 0 and 1. The 0 and 1 represent the machine language. So machine can understand this language easily. Then the process will be going fast. Did you get why we studied the number system conversion in the previous videos? Now all of you understand, I think so. This ASCII code is most popular encoding system. It is recognized by United States. Most of the computers are using this ASCII coding system. This can handle 2 power 7 bit. That means 128 character can represent. New edition ASCII 8 has 2 power 8 bit. It can handle 256 characters represented from 0 to 255 numbers. Like the ASCII coding system, some other coding systems also there. They are BCD, EBCDIC, Unicode and ISCII. First BCD. BCD full form is Binary Coded Decimal. This system is not available nowadays. This can handle 2 power 6 bits. That means 64 characters only. The coding system is EBCDIC. Full form is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. It is formulated by IBM. IBM full form is International Business Machine. This coding system can handle 256 characters. Next coding system is ISCII. Its full form is Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. It can handle the characters of Indian local languages. It is a 8-bit coding system. It can handle 256 characters. It is formulated by BIS. That full form is Bureau of Indian Standard. Now this coding system is integrated with the Unicode. Next coding system is Unicode. This coding system used in the modern computers. In ASCII can represent only 256 characters. Therefore, English and European language only can use this ASCII. Then remaining languages like Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, these are the languages cannot be represented by ASCII. That's why they generate the Unicode. This Unicode can handle 65,536 characters because of it is a 16-bit code. This code scheme is denoted in the tabular column in the pages 33, 34, 35. You can
some of the conversion I skipped. That conversion we can see here. First we will see decimal to binary conversion. Already we studied in the decimal to binary conversion 2 methods of conversion. Repetitive division by method and by 2 method and sum of powers method. This repetitive division by 2 method already we studied. Example, 65 is the decimal number. We want to convert into binary means, so you have to just divide by 2. 3 2s are 6. Then 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. Then 2. 1 2 is 2. Then 6 2s are 12, remaining 0. Then 8 2s are 16, remaining 0. 4 2s are 8, remaining 0. 2 2s are 4, remaining 0. 2 2s are 4, remaining 0. Then 1 2 is 2, remaining 0. So what is answer? 1 0 0. How many zeros? 5 zeros. Then 1. This is the binary equivalent of 65. Now we will see using sum of powers method to convert the 65 into binary number. Okay. First we have to take 2 power values. 2 power 0, 2 power 0, 1, 2 power 1, 2, that is 2. Then next 2 power 2, 4, that is 2 into 2, 4. Then 2 power 3, 8, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 2 power 4, that is 16. Then 2 power 5, 32. 2 power 6, 64. 2 power 7, 128. We will stop here. See here, why I stopped here. Then our number is 65. We want to take the number, then less than this 65, but it is highest. Largest number less than the 65. Which is the less than the largest number less than the 65? These all numbers are less than the 65. In this number, which is the biggest one? 64. So you have to set the number 1 here. Did you understand? Then what you have to do? This 65 minus 64. What is answer? 1. Understand? Then next step, what do you have to do? Again write these steps. What are they? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Here already one set here. Then next we have to set the one in ones place. Remaining these part all will be 0. Did you get the answer? What is the answer? Already we got the answer. Repetitive division also we got the answer. Same answer. 1 0 0 5 times 0, right? Then 1. This is the 65 base 10 equal to 1 binary number 100. We will see one more example also. We will convert the 46 into binary number using sum of powers method. So first we have to take 2 power 0, that is 1, 2 power 1, that is 2, 2 power 2, that is 4, 2 power 3, that is 8, 2 power 4, that is 16, 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 6, 64. Okay, we will stop here. Then what is the number? 46. We have to take less than the 46. In the less than the 46, highest we have to take. These all numbers are less than the 46. Which is the highest number? 32. So set 1 here. Then you have to subtract it. What is our number? 46 minus this 32. Minus where we set 1, that number. Then what is the answer you will get? 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 13, 14. Then next number, our number is 14. Same as the 46. Okay. Now we have to see less than the 40, which is the highest. Here these numbers are less than 14, which is the highest. 8 is the highest. So you have to put 1 there. Once again write step like that. 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Here already 32 set 1. Now you have to set 1 where 8. Why? Because of less than 14, 8 is the highest. So set 1 here. Here one blank space is there. In this place you have to put 0. Did you understand? Then now our number is 14 minus this 8. Okay. Then 14 minus this 8. What is the answer? 14 minus 8, 6. Once again write like this: 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Now we have to see 6 less than highest one. Okay, which is that? Again write set these numbers. Then which is the highest one? 4. So set 1 here. Now you have to subtract it. This 6 minus this 4. So 6 minus 4. What is the answer? 2. So you have to once again write the same steps: 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. First 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then what is the number? 2. So you can set it here 2, same, equal only, same. Okay. Now you have to subtract this number and this number. 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So this one is not representing, so how to put 0. What is answer for this 46 binary equivalent? 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. This is the another method to find out the binary conversion.
Now we will see the conversion of fractional decimal to binary. One fractional number I will take 0.2.
This is a fractional number. Here 0 is the integer part. Here 2 is the fractional part. How to do this one? This is done by repetitive multiplication by 2. That is 0.2 into 2. What is the answer we are getting? 0.4. Is it correct? What is an integer part? 0. So we are taking the integer part 0. Next, again this number, this decimal part number we are taking. That is 0.4 into 2. What is 0.8? Again we are taking integer part 0. Now we are taking multiplication for 8. This 0.8. So 0.8 into 2, which is equal to 1.6. Here integer part is 1. So we are taking 1. For this multiplication we are taking the decimal part only, not integer part. So decimal part you are taking 0.6. 0.6 into 2, which is equal to 1.2. That integer part is 1. Again we are taking decimal part, that is 0.2, which is equal to 2. Already the same step is repeating. So we can stop here. Then 0.4, integer part is 0. So we can stop here. How we can write it? From the top to bottom, now you have to write. How we can? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. This is the binary conversion of 0.2. Did you understand? We will see one more example. 12.25. This fractional number we want to convert into binary number. How we are converting? First we are taking the integer part. What is the integer part? 12 is the integer part. Integer part ordinary conversion. How? 12 divided by 2. 6 2s are 12. Remaining 0. Then 3 2s are 0. Remaining, 3 2s are 6. Remaining 0. 1 2 is 2. Remaining 1. So 12 binary number is 1 1 0 0. This is already we studied. Then we will see the 0.25. This 0.25 is multiplied by 2. Then we will get answer 0.50.
What is the integer part? 0. So you have to write 0. Then again multiply by 2 this decimal part. 0.50 into 2. which is equal to 1.00. What is integer part? 1. Then next multiplication, you have to take decimal part. What is 0? 0.00 into 2. What is answer? We will get 0.00. Is it correct? Then what is an integer part? 0. So no more multiplication, because of this becomes 0. So what is answer? If answer of this one, 0.010. Did you get him? Then how we can write 12.010 base 2. Sorry, 12 point, not 12. What is the answer? What is the 12 binary number? 1100 point this 0.10 base 2.
Next conversion is conversion of fractional binary to decimal. Taken
One example,
11.011. 11 integer part. So we can ordinary conversion we can do. How? 1 first digit into 2 power 0. Next digit into next digit 1. 1 into 2 power 1, which is equal to 1 into 2 power 0 1. Here 1 into 2, which is equal to 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2. Finally add this 3. So by decimal equivalent of this binary number is 3. Did you get the integer part? We got. Then we have to take the fractional part. What are the number? You have to take like this. We can draw like this. So we can take right like this 1 1. See here. Here first digit. This is the, here we are taken from right to left. Here we are taking left to right. Then here what is the digit? 0 into 2 power minus 1. Did you understand the difference? In the fractional part you have to take 2 power minus 1 negative value. Here positive values. Then plus this number. Next number. What is the next number? 1. 1 into 2 power minus 2. Then plus next number. 1 into 2 power minus 3. Did you get me? Next 2 power values taken. See here 2 power minus 1, how we can write 1 by 2. 1 by 2 power 1. That is we can write 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Next 2 power minus 2. How we can write 1 by 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 4. So we can write 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. Next 2 power minus 3. How we can write 1 by 2 power 3, which is equal to 1 by 8. Then which is equal to 0.125. Did you get? Now this value we can apply here. Here 2 power minus 2, sorry 2 power minus 1, that is 0.0 into 0.5. That term is 0. Okay. Next 1 into 2 power minus 2. 2 power minus 2 is 0.25. Is it correct? Then plus next 1 into 2 power minus 3. What is it? 1 into 2 power minus 3 is 0.125. How we can write it? Then this term is multiplied with 0. So this term becomes 0. Next term, what is 1 into, so 1 into 0.25, that means 0.25 plus 1 into 0.125, that is 0.125. Ordinary multiplication only. Then fractional addition. How we are adding this one? 0.25, then 0.125. Add this one. Here no terms, so put 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 2, 3.0. Okay. Then this is the fractional number. What is the fractional number? Got 0.375 base 10. How we can write together?
that we can write 11.011 base 2 equal to 11 decimal value is 3. So 3.375 base 10.